KKN Kids House.
I'm running a little late for school today. I hope my teacher isn't mad at me. There's nobody in the classroom. All right, today is Saturday. There's no school today, but that's okay. There are awesome art supplies here. Drawing paper and colorful paints. I can make super cool pictures with these. Oh, wow! Will you look at how pretty these paints are? Look how brightly they sparkle. Painting with these is going to be so much fun. Let's start by drawing an apple first. And let's make it a huge apple. Yep, we drew the stem and the leaf too. We can add a tiny little apple right next to it. Let's draw one on the left side as well. And add one more down in the bottom right corner. There we go. Let's surround the big apple with little apples. I made these drawings specially for you guys. I hope you love them. Let's see how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got exactly 8 apples. Now it's time to paint. Let's jump right in. What color do you think our big apple should be? I wonder what color I'm painting it right now. Were you able to guess? Yep, this apple is bright red. Now, it's time for the little apples. Can you guess the color? Awesome! This apple turned out blue. Can you figure out this color? Way to go! This one's a pink apple. Now for our third apple. Yeah, I heard you. Sounds like you said green. Now let's move on to our fourth apple. Yep, this apple's color is purple. And our sixth apple is orange. Our seventh apple is turning brown. And our eighth apple turned into an awesome yellow color. We made a total of 8 colorful apples. Now we can go to our second page. Are you ready? Let our surprise drawing begin. First, let's draw 2 big eyes. Let's add a cute nose and long whiskers. Were you able to guess who this is? Look, it's got big teeth too. Let's put 2 long ears on top as well. Now, I'm totally sure you know it. Yep, this is a cute bunny. Give yourself a big round of applause. So what do bunnies love the most? What do you think their favorite food is? Yep, bunnies are crazy about carrots. Now, right next to our bunny, so it can eat them up, we'll draw exactly 8 yummy carrots. Let's add some new carrots down at the bottom. Just like the ones on top. The more carrots we draw, the happier our bunny gets. It's even saying, I want more carrots. Let's draw 4 more so we don't let it down. We're adding our 5th carrot, and right next to it, our 6th carrot too. Yeah, after finishing our last 2 carrots, we can finally switch to painting with our markers. Our bunny is gonna jump for joy when it sees this. Our drawings came out awesome. They're all smiling at us, You go ahead and send them a big smile too. All right, let the painting fun begin. First, let's paint our bunny's cute face. I wonder what color I'm painting. Our bunny's face, do you think? Can you guess? Awesome, you got it right. We made the bunny's face bright blue. And we painted its huge ears bright red. And its teeth turned super yellow. Now it's time to color the carrots it's gonna enjoy eating. Our first carrot turned a sweet pink. And we're painting its leaves bright green. Since our green marker is in our hand, let's keep it. Because all the carrot leaves are gonna be green. Our second carrot turned out purple. And we painted its leaves green again. It's time to move to our third carrot. After making this carrot bright yellow, we're painting its leaves green once more. We're moving on to the fourth carrot. We colored our fourth carrot bright red too. Our bunny is so happy right now because it got colorful, amazing carrots. Now it's time to paint the carrots on the left side. Do you think our bunny can eat all of these carrots? I think it can save some and eat them whenever it gets hungry. After coloring our sixth carrot, we're moving on to our last two, carrots. Let's make our seventh carrot all green from top to bottom. This way, all the colors of the rainbow are complete. Our carrots are smiling happily. After painting our last carrot blue, we're here with an awesome work of art! We made our bunny very, very happy. You did a fantastic job. Give yourself a big pat on the back. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? Now it's time to open our paint box. Let's see what colorful surprises are gonna pop out. Oh wow, all the colors look amazing. Totally! I wonder what we should draw and paint next. I got it! I have a cool surprise. I'll draw it, and you try to guess what it is. Deal? First, we're drawing a thumb. We're adding the index finger right next to it. Right after that, we drew our middle finger. Next up is our ring finger. And lastly, we're adding our tiny pinky finger. Yep, you guessed right, this is a hand. A cute hand with all 5 fingers. Now we can start painting this in full color. Would you look at how pretty our paintbrush looks? Let's dip it right into our paint. Let's paint the bottom part of our hand a nice pink. But I think we can make this way more colorful. It would be awesome if we used 2 colors. Let's add a little bit of red to the bottom too. This hand is going to be a total masterpiece. We're making great progress. The inside of our hand looks amazing. And now we're starting to paint our thumb. Let's paint our index finger purple. Let's make our middle finger bright yellow. It's turning out so good. Let's make our ring finger bright blue too. We'll color the fingernails at the very end. Our hand has turned into a total rainbow of colors. After painting our pinky finger, we're jumping right into the fingernails. This was an awesome hand drawing and painting session. Let's paint paint its nails and move on to our next video. We're doing the nails pink and red. Oh, sorry, just pink. I got a little excited there. If you're ready, let's move on to our next fun drawing. Let's see what kind of surprises are waiting for us there. But before we move on, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? You're awesome! Let's keep going. Let's grab our pencil and brush and get to work by drawing. An awesome apple. This time, it's gonna be a much different and magical painting. I'm telling you now. Watch without blinking. We'll leave our apple aside for now and move on to our second drawing. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Go ahead and think about it. Yep, this is a leaf, but whose fruit does this leaf belong to? Go find out. Awesome, this is a pear. Yep, a yummy pear. I almost couldn't say it out of excitement. Now lastly, we're gonna draw one more fruit. Come on, guess this one too. I made these drawings especially for you guys to have fun. I hope you're enjoying watching them so much. You already guessed what's coming, didn't you? Yep, this is a huge banana. After putting our banana aside too, we can bring our apple back and start painting. We put our apple right in the middle of the screen. We'll take our red paint on our brush and start painting. With a huge smile. How is it? Am I painting nicely? Thank you so much. You're painting right along with me while watching, aren't you? Totally. I feel like you said yeah. Painting is really an awesome feeling. I have so much fun while doing it, and I get just as happy. There we go. We painted our red apple so nicely. Now it's time for its leaf. We're making its leaf bright green too. Lastly, we'll paint its brown stem and put our apple aside. It really turned out amazing. It practically turned into a 3D apple. After putting it away, we're grabbing our second fruit, meaning our pear. Let's paint the middle part of our pear a sweet yellow. We're not rushing at all while painting. Painting really relaxes my soul. It makes me so happy I can't even tell you. Moving the brush across the paper makes me feel so good. Just like that. It turned out gorgeous, simply the best. Now it's time to paint our pear's huge leaf. Let's paint our leaf a vivid green. After finishing the leaf, we're painting its stem brown as well. Are you ready for it to look 3D too? It's truly a perfect pear. Let's put that aside too, and finally start painting our banana. This banana is gonna look really cool. Let's paint its outer peels a nice green. Did you like my video? If you had fun, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? In fact, you can ask your mom or dad for help and subscribe to my channel together. All I want from you is to draw lots of pictures. You can grab your paper, paint, and brush right now and make awesome pictures like this right along with me. And lastly, after painting the inside of the banana bright yellow, sadly we've reached the end of this video, but don't be sad at all. When you visit my channel, you'll see so many more fun videos, super vibrant drawings, and awesome animations are waiting for you. Today we drew 3 awesome fruits and painted them in full color. Hope to see you in our next video. Take super good care of yourselves. See ya, bye-bye.